Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to remove a group within Microsoft Teams. Whether you are decluttering your workspace or getting rid of a group that is no longer needed, I will walk you through each step to make the process as simple as possible. To begin, launch the Microsoft Teams application or visit the web portal and log into your account. Once you have entered your credentials, you will arrive at the primary dashboard where your various chats, meetings, and groups are displayed. Having all your channels visible here makes management much more efficient. After logging in, scan the list of groups located on the left side of the interface. Identify the specific group you intend to delete. Since you may belong to several, ensure you have highlighted the correct one before proceeding. Next, hover your mouse over the name of that group to reveal 3 small dots. Clicking this More Options or ellipsis icon opens a menu containing various settings for that specific group. From this list, choose the Delete option. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so verify that you truly want to erase it. You might want to save any vital data or consult with other members before finalizing this step. Once you select Delete, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Microsoft Teams requires this extra step to prevent accidental deletions since there is no turning back. Confirm your choice, and the group will immediately vanish from your list. That is all there is to it. You have successfully deleted a Microsoft Teams group. Just remember that this permanently wipes the group and its entire chat history, so ensure nothing important is lost before you finish. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you manage your workspace better. Please leave a comment if you have questions, and remember to like and subscribe for more technical tips. Have a wonderful day.